Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about positive and negative angles. But before learning about the positive and negative angles, we should learn what an angle is. We have been learning so far about the angle that when two straight lines meet each other at a point, suppose this is one of the line AB and this is BC, they form an angle. So we say about the angle when two straight lines meet at a point, an angle is formed. Like we say here angle ABC, and we write this as angle ABC. B is the point where the angle is formed, and this is known as, B is known as the vertex of the angle. What about AB and BC? AB and BC are known as the arms of angle. We call them arms. Also we can say that when two rays start from a point, then an angle is formed. We can say it like this. Suppose one is the ray here, another ray is here. This is AB and this is AC, then the angle is formed here. And we read it as angle BAC, where A is the vertex and AB and AC are the arms of the angle. Now let's learn about the revolving line. What is a revolving line? Suppose we have a line which is fixed at this point O, and it is free at this end A to move either in this direction or in this direction. In any one of the direction it can move. Such line is known as a revolving line, or we also call it radius vector. So we say a line which can move, or we can say revolve about a fixed point O is a revolving line. Or it is also known as or a radius vector. We can also say that when a revolving line, suppose OA we take, moves in this direction and goes to the another position, suppose this is the position here we have, this is B, then we say OA is its starting position and OB is its final, or we say terminal position. Do we find that in these two positions also an angle is formed? Between the starting and terminating or terminal position, an angle is formed. Let's learn now about the positive and negative angles. See, we talk about the positive angle. We have already learnt about the revolving line. Suppose this revolving line is starting from here, this is the starting position OA, and it moves in the direction upwards, it means that is anti-clockwise direction. Do we call it anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise direction. Then the angle which it forms is known as positive angle. This is OB. So we say when a revolving line moves in anti-clockwise direction, from its starting position to form an angle, the angle is known as positive angle. We call it positive angle. Now about the negative angle. When this revolving line from its starting position OA moves in the opposite direction of this, that is this direction, this is known as clockwise direction, then the angle formed is negative angle. So what we say about the negative angle? When a revolving line moves in clockwise direction to form an angle, such angle is a negative angle. Such angle is a negative angle. So we say when the moment of the revolving line is in the anti-clockwise direction, positive angle is formed, and when it is in the clockwise direction, the negative angle is formed. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any doubt or comments, leave them in the comment box and I'll get back to you.